Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to view guides in Steam Overlay. This feature is incredibly useful when you need quick tips or walkthroughs without leaving your game. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Now, here's an important note before we continue. You must enable Steam Overlay while in-game to view guides in Steam Overlay. This is essential for the feature to work properly, so make sure you follow the steps carefully. Once you're logged in, look at the upper left corner of your screen and click on Steam. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open the settings window where you can configure various Steam features. In the left panel of the settings window, click on In-Game. This section contains all the options related to your in-game Steam experience. Look for Enable the Steam Overlay while in-game and make sure it is toggled on. This is the master switch that allows the overlay to function across all your games. Next, find Overlay shortcut keys. Right beside it, you'll see the current key combination, which is usually Shift plus Tab by default. If you want to change this shortcut to something more convenient for you, click inside the Overlay shortcut keys box to select it. Then simply press the new key or key combination you want to use. The system will automatically detect your input. Once you've set your preferred shortcut, click Confirm to save your changes. Now that you've configured the global overlay settings, let's enable it for a specific game. In the top menu, click on Library to access your game collection. In the left panel, right-click on the game you want to view guides for, then select Properties from the menu that appears. This opens the game-specific settings. Look for Enable the Steam Overlay while in-game and make sure it is toggled on. This ensures the overlay will work for this particular game. With everything configured, it's time to launch the game. Once your game is running, press the overlay shortcut keys you set earlier. Since I set mine to Shift plus Tab, I'll press Shift plus Tab. The Steam Overlay will appear over your game, giving you access to various Steam features without minimizing or closing your game. At the bottom of the Steam Overlay, click the Guides button. This will open the guides section where you can browse through various community-created guides for the game you're currently playing. You can now browse through guides, search for specific tips, or find solutions to any challenges you're facing in the game. And that's it. You've successfully enabled and accessed Steam guides through the overlay, making it easy to get help whenever you need it. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.